Hello, everyone. My name is Brian Hannon. I'm Vice President of Sales with LeveragePoint. I'm going to take the next 2 to 3 minutes to show you a very quick demonstration of the LeveragePoint platform, and more specifically, the LeveragePoint value proposition tool. Our customers use the value prop tool to be able to effectively communicate the economic impact that their products have on their customer's business or prospect's business. This tool is digital, interactive, and it allows the customer-facing person to have a conversation, gather data in the conversation, incorporate that into the value proposition live, and see the resulting value change based on that conversation. And really what ends up happening is that the conversation leads to a back and forth, and by the end of the value conversation, you've begun to develop what turns into a business case, a good reason for the prospect or the customer to purchase your offering. So we're looking at a value proposition right now. This is a demo value proposition of a company called Airventus, and the value props ultimately will look very similar to your corporate presentations. So logo, colors, all of that will look identical to what your typical PowerPoint presentations would look like. But of course, this is now a value conversation, and it's in a browser. So I'll quickly flip through the slides, and we typically start at a qualitative level. We start to get into case studies where we can start to customize the information, based on questions or based on who we're speaking with. We then start to break down each step of the value discussion, and we have, again, data that we can change based on a back and forth. We can also show the actual equations as well. So this would be done in this specific example for 3 different value pieces. And then there might be something like a total cost of ownership, which is a sort of summary over 10 years of what the cost savings would be by going with what ultimately is a more expensive piece of equipment. So again, we use different charts and graphs to describe the story, and we can show those in smaller charts or larger charts, depending on what you're trying to do. Finally, after the story is done, the value prop can be saved to a unique value proposition, which is specifically tied to the opportunity that you're working on. And finally, it can be downloaded to either a PDF or a PowerPoint or some type of custom export. So my quick time is up. We're happy to show you more. Feel free to go to leveragepoint.com and click on the demo link, and I or someone else from my team will be in touch with you shortly. Thank you very much.